वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल एंड वी आर बैक विथ अनदर वीडियो। और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं डीसीए के क्वेश्चन के लिए, जो कि टीसीएस डीसीए में पूछा गया था लास्ट टाइम। और इस क्वेश्चन को हम लोग पाइथन में सॉल्व करेंगे। तो पहला क्वेश्चन ये है जो इस वीडियो में आपको दिखाएंगे। एक एरे है, गिवन एन एरे of n integers and a positive integer k. The task is to cyclically rotate the array clockwise by k. Means there is an array of size n and there is another integer k. So what we have to do is we have to rotate the entire array with cyclically. How many times we have to rotate? That is k times. Okay, for example, we can understand by this question by two example which was given in the questions. So first is the value of n is 5, so the length of the array is 5 and the inputs are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. These are the elements of the array and the value of k is 2. So we'll have to rotate array clockwise. Okay, so what will happen? 50 first, 50 will go to the first index and it will be 50, 10, 20, 30, 40. Then again it is asked for 2 times, so 40 will again go to the first index. Then it will be 40, 50, 10, 20, 30. Another example is size of array is 4 and we have 10, 20, 30, 40 and the value of k is 1. So we have to rotate the this array clockwise by 1 time. Okay, so we can start the solution on Python. So we'll move to the PyCharm. Okay, so we'll first take the input as n. Now we have the input, so we'll take the list. We'll create an empty list and for I n we'll have to what we'll do is we'll take an integer n, then there is an empty list and we'll take the input of all the array elements and store it into the list l dot append. We'll convert the input into integers. Okay, so we'll have from this method we'll have all the entire elements into the list l. Then what will take another element when I'll take another variable as k, which is the variable जिससे हम लोग array को rotate करेंगे. Okay, so array as input, int input. Okay, now we have all the elements required and have took input of all the input of k and list. Okay, so what is the idea of rotating this? So what we will do is, like, suppose we have this array 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So what we have to do to rotate it? What we have to do is we have to take the last element of the array and put it on the first of the array, so that is 0th index. Okay, so last element on the 0th index and again 40th when the 50 of this array will be put on 0th index, so 40 will be left and we have to delete this 50th value from the last of the array. सो हम लोग क्या करना है, 50 को उठा के 0th पोजीशन पे रखेंगे और 50 को रिमूव कर देंगे, तो हमारा एरे बन जाएगा 50, 10, 20, 30, 40। देन व्हाट विल हैपन इज़ 40 को हम लोग रिमूव करेंगे और 40 को उठा के 0th पोजीशन पे रख देंगे, तो हमारा ये आ जाएगा। ओके, तो हम लोग को ऐसे कितनी बार करना है, k बार। सो विल डू द सेम थिंग। ओके, सो विल स्टार्ट। First what we have to do is for j n, अब लोग मूव करेंगे किस पे, द array k at times, so will move by k times range of k. Then what we have to do is put this element in the 0th position. So what we will do is, for putting any element on the 0th position, we can use the method insert, l dot insert, and on the 0th position, so first argument is index, then another argument is object, which is the value, and the value is the last element of this array. Last element of array कैसे पता चलेगा, एक हमारे पास मेथड है कि एक तरीका ये है कि लास्ट को यूज़ कर ले, यानी कि l-1। देन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज़, आपको 50th वैल्यू का एलिमेंट हटाना पड़ेगा, तो हटाने के लिए फिर अनदर मेथड लगाना पड़ेगा। तो इससे अच्छा हम लोग क्या यूज़ करेंगे, हम लोग यूज़ करेंगे यहाँ पे l डॉट पॉप। वी कैन यूज़ l डॉट पॉप। सो व्हाट विल हैपन इज़, लास्ट एलिमेंट पॉप होगा यानी हटेगा, और यहाँ पे उसकी वैल्यू हो जाएगी, आ जाएगी। तो इस पर क्या होगा, 50th एलिमेंट ये हट जाएगा, 50th वैल्यू हट जाएगी, और उसके साथ ही साथ वो वैल्यू यहाँ पर आ भी जाएगी इंडेक्स से बाहर। तो हमने ये कर दिया है, और ये कितने टाइम होगा, k टाइम्स। सो दिस इज इट, एंड प्रिंट l। सो विल रन दिस, will give 5 as n, input as 10, 20, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and we have to rotate it by 2 times. Okay, so we have the solution over here. So we'll solve another example. Take another example, example number 2. So we'll have 4 as n, 10, 20, 30, 40, and rotate it by 1. So we have our solution over here, 14, 10, 20, 30. So this is the simplest solution which we can run and get the solution of the question. Hope you liked my video. Please do share and subscribe so that I can make more video like this, because every subscriber and like makes me motivated to make more videos like this.